It's time to solve the Rubik's Cube. Well, there we go. Okay, nice rule. My main method is to use the C-fob method, but I also get caught in with patience, so I'm so confused. And the serve is quite slow. It's on screen again, yeah. Okay. Now the last corner. Now for the second layer edges. Wow, nice. Actually, I'll put this there. Okay, the first two layers are done. Now to orient the last layer. Calculating which side to go. This is our main position. Yeah. Let's check this scramble. Looks easy, okay. Easy, I solved the Rubik's Cube. Okay, bye. My cubing addition is getting worse.